Assalamu alaikum everyone. So I was actually looking at this news from potentially you today, and XRP just beat Bitcoin, and here's how. XRP token has reportedly overtaken Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency with the highest trading volume. Following a significant legal victory last week, XRP has dominated 21% of all cryptocurrency trade volume. This marks a dramatic shift in market dynamics, as Bitcoin traditionally leads the pack in terms of trade volume. So that's actually very huge. Consider that Bitcoin is actually traded all over the world, and Bitcoin has almost this pairing with Bitcoin, and the trade that happens for Bitcoin with other different coins is pretty crazy as well. And you do have XRP that just comes in and is being traded after such a huge victory, and everyone else is getting excited once again. But anyways, back to the Bitcoin chart. Now I'm opened up to the weekly here. This weekly time frame has a little bit of a story that I'm going to tell you. Now we've talked about parallel channel in yesterday's video. If I do go back for the recap, you do have Bitcoin, as I told you before, that we're looking for Bitcoin to probably come to this lowest part of the channel. So 1, 2, 3, again 4, and that pretty much also tells me that you still probably have this RSI. The RSI still looks a little bit like this. It's climbing up just a little bit. So we do have a little bit of a divergence coming in on the 1 hour time frame. I do believe you're looking for a move back up, especially if you notice how the weekly last week closed like. I want to show you what last week really brought into the table. So I'm looking for two different technical targets for Bitcoin. One is $45,000, one is $36,000. It's only a matter of time that we see that probably. Now, if you look at this weekly closing, you do have an inverted hammer. You have 5 more days to close this weekly candle. It seems like in the next 5 days, you're looking for another push back up and even move up, because this candle is not bearish. If you notice, you have a red candle and you have an inverted hammer next to it. So let's actually talk about it in an educational manner. So this is going to be a bearish candle right there, and the second one is going to be a bullish candle like this, right? So if you have a bearish closing next to it, you follow with an inverted hammer, then you're looking for this one to actually push all the way back up, like the next candle that follows, which is this one this week in the next 5 days. So we probably are looking for another green move back up, and that actually, if I go into the 4 hour time frame right there, then that actually means you're looking for a push back up from this area. Sideways movement, consolidation, move back up, maybe consolidation again, until we don't really break down like this and go to $24,000, or break up and move all the way to $36,000. Nothing in between. It doesn't get any more than that. And that's it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.